Engineers at the University of Houston have designed a revolutionary new material that promises to make AI devices significantly faster while dramatically cutting energy consumption. The material, created by engineering professor Alamgir Karim and one of his former doctoral students, could replace traditional heat-generating components in integrated circuit chips, reducing the significant energy cost and heat production necessary for AI. Physics and engineering professor Minnie Das has developed a new X-ray imaging technique capable of revealing hidden features in a single shot, a breakthrough that could advance cancer detection, disease monitoring, security screening, and material analysis. UH has once again been recognized as one of Time Magazine's best colleges for future leaders. The honor highlights UH's standing among the nation's top colleges in preparing today's students to become tomorrow's leaders.